Hello friends, in today's practical we are going to test the functionality of temperature controller with on-off controller. So this is the circuit for testing the functionality of on-off controller, where we are providing feedback at this position. This feedback is passed through the bridge rectifier to the comparator. We are providing reference input from this. Okay, so comparator will compare reference input with feedback, and it gives the error to the microcontroller. Depending on that error, microcontroller will either on the heater or off the heater through the relay. Okay, so heater is connected at this position. Okay, so this RTD is providing us the feedback. Okay, to set the reference input, we have to press and hold this S1 button. So if you press, you will see what is reference temperature is set. We can either increase or decrease the temperature, but for the first reading I will set this temperature at 40 degrees Celsius. Okay, now we have to unhold this button. Now current temperature of water is 31 degree Celsius. So comparator will compare 40 degree with the 32 degree Celsius. So there is a error. This error will be transferred to the microcontroller, and microcontroller made the heater on through the relay. Okay, so you can see heater is on. Okay, now water is heating. Now if you observe the temperature of water, the reading is showing as 39 degrees Celsius. Still heater is on. So when temperature of water will become 40, we have to see what will happen with this heater. So now temperature of water becomes 40 degrees Celsius, and if you see the heater, instantly the heater is off. Okay, so this microcontroller made the heater off. Okay, once the temperature of this water falls below 40, the microcontroller will again check the error, and it makes the heater on. Okay, so we have to see that. Now if you see, the temperature of water is 40 degree, but still the heater is off. Okay, so now the temperature of water becomes 39. So see, heater is on or off. So currently it is in off position. Still we have to see at what temperature heaters starts again. So as soon as the temperature of water becomes 38, if you see the heater, now the heater is on. So in this way, this on and off controller will work, and it maintains the temperature of water at 40 degrees Celsius. If you have set 40 degree temperature, the heater will be on at 38 degrees Celsius, and when water temperature becomes 40, it will be off. If you repeat the readings by setting different temperature, you will get this kind of observation table.